Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and today we want to talk you through the bodyweight squat and the importance of actually giving it a bit more respect than it deserves. So what Jenny's going to do is find a stance that she likes. If you struggle to think of your squat stance, make sure you check out our how to find your squat stance video, but we're going to focus more on what you should be looking for from the hips, okay? So we know everybody does this and it's absolutely fine if you can get away with it, but for some people they can't get away with it. So Jenny's just sort of rounding down, going up and down, as many squats as you can do in as fast a time as possible. And like I said, you'll get away with this for a long time, but you want to make sure that you have a really good, confident bodyweight squat as well. So if Jenny slows everything down, what we want to see is that she's loading her hips. So as she goes down into that squat, she should feel that her glutes are being stretched out, she should feel that her hamstrings are being stretched out, and she should feel like she's using all of the muscles to have her hips supported in a way, and she's not just bouncing up and down for the sake of it, okay? So you can also really start to focus on trying to maintain a neutral spine as you do a bodyweight squat. And this is something that's quite hard for a lot of people that are struggling with their flexibility. They actually need weight almost to get them to get into a better position. So you want to be trying to make your bodyweight squat look as good as a weighted squat. So if you've ever seen the goblet squat, say with most people they can hold a really good position here. They've got a dumbbell or a kettlebell and they can get a really good solid position with the goblet squat. You want your bodyweight squat to look as good as your goblet squat, okay? So over time, that's what you're looking to improve on. So if Jenny was to go into a resting squat for me, just pause on the bottom, you don't want to be repping out squats like that, okay? You don't want to be getting as low as you can get for the sake of getting as low as you can get if you're going to be repping them out. So this is totally fine for a resting position or to just stretch your hips. That's great, but you want to think if you're going to be repping something out, you're going to be strengthening the muscles. You want to strengthen the most favorable positions for being the strongest that you can possibly be. So this is the best way to do things. So if we slow it all down, you're letting the knees come forward a little bit, the hips are going back a little bit, and you're thinking about all that tension and torque in the hips. You're keeping your core braced a little bit, and then you slowly bring yourself back up. So grab the ground with your toes, slow it all down, keep everything nice and tight, and then bring yourself back up. So that is the bodyweight squat. Make sure you give it the attention it deserves, and don't just wrap out bad reps just for the sake of it, okay? Because like I said, you might get away with it for a while, but if you start to get backache, knee pain, hip pain, that'll be one of the reasons that's contributing to that. It'll be the thousands of reps of squats that you did that you weren't really paying attention to, okay guys?